You too. What's good? I'm overjoyed on this Tuesday morning, getting ready to head to the gym. Just want to speak this quick word to you that God gave me. That whatever you're dealing with in your life, if you believe in God for something and you haven't seen it come to pass yet, rest in God. Rest in God. Have peace in God. The Bible tells us in Philippians chapter 4, verse 7, it says, the peace of God, which passes all understanding, will keep your hearts and mind in Christ Jesus. Jesus said in John 16:33, said, in these things I speak to you, in me you might have peace. In the world you will have great tribulation, but be of good cheer, for I have overcome the world. No matter what it is, I know you believe God for something, and it seems like the more you pray, the more you don't see it manifest. I've learned that when you set your affections on the things of God, that's Colossians 3:2, and not the things of the earth. When you just focus on your mission for Christ and just let God handle it and have peace, and I promise you that before you know it, you'll turn around and it'll be right there, whatever you believe in God for. So I want to give you that. Just rest in God. Have peace in God. I promise you, I'm starting to see fruits in my life, and I'm starting to finally get to that place of peace. And I want to see you get there too, and you can do it. So just want to let you know, just rest in God. All right, peace.